Hello Grade 2 students. Welcome back to Grade 2 Language with me, Teacher D. We have a really interesting lesson for you today. So are you ready? Great! Let's get started. Let's start today's lesson by practicing our conversation. Watch the video and read along too.
Dialogue 1. About my country. 1. What is the name of our country?
It's Thailand.
2. What was the former name of Thailand?
It was Siam.
3. What is the current capital city of Thailand?
It's Bangkok.
4. What was the first capital of Thailand?
It was Sukhothai.
5. Why is Bangkok named the Venice of the East?
Because of the many canals.
6. How many colours are there in the Thai flag?
Three colors. They are red, white, and blue.
7. What is the national religion of Thailand?
Is Buddhism.
8. Do you love your country?
Yes, I love my country.
สวัสดี
Now, we are going to practice the questions and answers from our conversation. Today, we will practice question numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, students, I want you to listen carefully and then repeat after me. Question number 5. Why is Bangkok named the Venice of the East? Again, why is Bangkok named the Venice of the East? The answer: because of the many canals. Again, because of the many canals. Question number 6. How many colors are there in the Thai flag? Again, how many colors are there in the Thai flag? The answer: 3 colors. They are red, white, and blue. Again, 3 colors. They are red, white, and blue. Question number 7. What is the national religion of Thailand? Again, what is the national religion of Thailand? The answer, it is Buddhism. Again, it is Buddhism. Question number 8. Do you love your country? Again, do you love your country? Answer, yes, I love my country. Again, yes, I love my country. Well done, students. You did a great job. Let's practice the documentary on dinosaurs. Today, we will practice dinosaur number 3, Gorgosaurus, and dinosaur number 4, Edmontosaurus. Students, pay attention and read along too.
Gorgosaurus. Gor, go, saw us. Gor, go, saw us. Gorgosaurus. Vocabulary. Fierce. Huge. Cone-shaped. The name Gorgosaurus means fierce lizard. It was a meat-eating dinosaur which had huge jaws with large, sharp and cone-shaped teeth. Its legs were powerful. It had tiny arms and 2-fingered hands. Edmontosaurus. 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 Vocabulary. Duck-billed. Defenses. Avoid. The name Edmontosaurus means Edmonton lizard. It was a large plant-eating, duck-billed dinosaur. It was a dinosaur that moved slowly, with few defenses, but had keen senses to avoid enemies.
We are going to practice reading about Gorgosaurus together. So kids, listen carefully and repeat after me. Number 3. Gorgosaurus. Again, Gorgosaurus. Vocabulary. Number 1. Fierce. Number 2. Huge. Number 3. Cone-shaped. Now, let's read the sentences together. The name Gorgosaurus means fierce lizard. It was a meat-eating dinosaur which had huge jaws with large, sharp, and cone-shaped teeth. Its legs were powerful with tiny arms and 2-fingered hands. Great job, kids! Now we are going to read about Edmontosaurus together. I want you to listen carefully and then repeat after me. Number 4. Edmontosaurus. Again, Edmontosaurus. Vocabulary. Number 1. Duck-billed. Again, duck-billed. Number 2. Defenses. Again, defenses. Number 3. Avoid. Again, avoid. Now, let's read the sentences together. The name Edmontosaurus means Edmonton lizard. Next, it was a large, plant-eating, duck-billed dinosaur. Next, it was a dinosaur that moved slowly with few defenses, but had keen senses to avoid enemies. Good job, students! Let's see if you can remember the names of these animals. Number 1. Can you tell me what animal this is? That's right. This is a mouse. Let's say the word and spell it together. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Number 2. What's this? It's a cat. C-A-T. Cat. Number 3. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Do you remember what animal this is? That's right. It's a turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Picture number 5. This is a fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. And picture number 6. What animal is this? It's a frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. We are going to learn about singular and plural. Do you remember what singular and plural mean? Let's find out. Singular means only one. Look at the picture. How many dogs do you see? That's right. There is one dog. So when we use singular, we will say there is. Let's look at plural. Plural means more than one. Look at the picture. How many dogs do you see? That's right. There are two dogs. Now, when we do plural, we have to say are. There are. And we also have to remember to add an S at the end of the word. Let's practice this one more time. There are two dogs. And singular, there is one dog. So our rule is that we have to add the letter S to make most of our words plural. Let's practice some examples. Singular and plural. Let's look at the picture and the word on our screen. This is a cat. How many do you see? Only one. So it is singular. Let's try to make it plural. One cat, two cats. So you can see we have to add letter S at the end of the word because we have more than one. What's this? It's a turtle. How many do you see? Only one. Let's make it plural. One turtle, two turtles. We have to add letter S because we have more than one. What's this? It's a frog. How many can you see? Only one. One frog, two frogs. We have to add letter S because we have more than one. Now students, we have some special words that we are going to try to make plural. These words are special because we do not add letter S. So, let's look at the first example. This is a fish, and we can see that there is only one. So, how do we make it plural? It stays the same. Fish is a special word. We do not add letter S at the end of the word. It stays the same. One fish, two fish. We cannot say fishes, okay? So the word fish is a special word. Let's look at another special word. This is a mouse. One mouse and two mice. So students, the word mouse will change to mice. It is also a special word because we do not add letter S to make it plural. Let's practice these again. One fish, two fish. One mouse, two mice. We are going to use the vocabulary and lessons on singular and plural to make some new sentences. Let's practice some questions and answers. Let's try to read this together. I like cats. What about you? Again, I like cats. What about you? So students, you can see the picture here. This is a dog. But how many can you see? That's right. There are 2. So let's try to answer the question. You will say, I like dogs. Remember students, there is more than one. So you have to say dogs with a letter S on the end. Let's practice the question and answer one more time. I like cats. What about you? I like dogs. Let's read this next example together. I like fish. What about you? Look at the picture. Well done. You will say, I like turtles. Students, remember, you can see that there are 2 turtles. So in your answer, you have to put letter S at the end of the word. Let's practice the question and answer one more time. I like fish. What about you? I like turtles. I want you to try this example on your own. I like dogs. What about you? Remember students, look at the picture. How many do you see? Now, try to think of the answer. That's right. You will say, I like mice. Now, remember students, the word mouse will change to mice when we are making it plural because the word mouse is special. So remember that and don't forget it. We are going to have a fun activity. I want you to watch the video and guess the animals.
Hey boys and girls, can you guess what it is? Here we go. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a frog. It's a frog. It's a frog. It's a frog. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a goat. It's a goat. It's a goat. It's a goat. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a mouse. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a panda. It's a panda. It's a panda. It's a panda. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a tiger. It's a tiger. It's a tiger. It's a tiger. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a fox. It's a fox. It's a fox. It's a fox. Great job, boys and girls.
Let's review the important points and vocabulary from today's lesson. We reviewed many animals: cat, dog, fish, mouse, turtle, and frog. We also learned about singular and plural. Singular means only one, and plural means more than one. It's activity time. Okay, kids, I want you to take out a piece of paper and a pencil. I will put some activities on the screen. I want you to write down all your answers. So, students, are you ready? Let's get started. Activity number 1. This should take you about 10 minutes. You have to identify the pictures and use the words in the boxes to help you. I will read the words for you. Frog, fish, turtle, cat, and mouse. So students, look at the picture. What animal is this? Write down number 1 and then write down your answer. Number 2. Look at the picture and identify the animal. You can stop the video to write down your answer. Number 3. What animal is this? Use the words from the boxes to help you and write down your answer. Question number 4. Identify this animal. Write down number 4 and then write down your answer. Question number 5. Look at the picture and write down your answer. Activity number 2. This should take you about 10 minutes. I will read the story and the questions for you. You can stop the video and write down all your answers. Let's try to read it together. Tom the cat. Tom is a cat. He likes to play. Tom can jump very high. He is a brown cat. He drinks milk every day. He eats fish and likes to catch birds too. Question number 6. What animal is Tom? Question number 7. What can Tom do? Write down number 7 and then write down your answer. Question number 8. What color is Tom? What color is Tom? Question number 9. What does he drink every day? Again, what does he drink every day? Question number 10. He likes to catch blank. So students, for this question, you need to fill in the blank space. He likes to catch blank. You can stop the video and write down all your answers. Activity number 3. This should take you about 10 minutes. You have to look at the picture and complete the sentences. Number 11. There are 2 blank. Now remember students, if you have more than one, you need to write letter S at the end of the word. Question number 12. There is 1 blank. Look at the picture and complete the sentence. Question number 13. There are 2 blank. Look at the picture. How many do you see? There are 2 blank. Question number 14. Look at the picture. There is 1 blank. You can stop the video and write down your answer. Question number 15. There are 2 blank. There are 2 blank. You can stop the video and write down all your answers. Thank you for listening to today's lesson. I hope that you have enjoyed the lesson. And I hope to see you soon. Until next time, take care and goodbye.